as well as in Hawaii, for lounging. It's one of the places that seems fun. One thing is for certain, my dad and I are...
Malapit na maluto mga friend. Itong minudo natin, no? Minudo.
Okay, here we go. This is my video.
Yan po yung ulam natin ngayon.
Dad, vibing with Hello Kitty, someone that's very, that's pretty much all I have. All the
Mga friend, marami na naman mga kain natin ito. Sige mga friend, at luto na ito. Magandang hapon. Let's go naman tayo.